Introducing Corocorusan Chloris barbata of the family Poaceae. Corocorusan has several practical and ecological uses despite often being classified as a weed. It is commonly used as a forage grass for grazing animals such as cattle, goats, and sheep because its young shoots are palatable and can serve as a supplementary food source in grasslands and pastures. The plant also helps stabilize soil and control erosion due to its fibrous root system, which can hold soil together in open or disturbed areas. In some rural communities, it helps maintain vegetation cover that protects the soil from degradation. Ecologically, Corocorusan supports grassland biodiversity by providing habitat and food for insects and other small organisms.